Welcome to today's presentation. This video is about trigonometry and SADs, and the question you're tackling today reads: if tan x is equal to 1 over root 3, find without using tables or calculator the value of sine 90 minus x plus cosine of 90 minus x, leaving your answer in simplified SAD form. First and foremost, we will begin by considering the trigonometric ratios, that is sine, cosine, and tangent in SOHCAHTOA. So S here represents sine. Sine is opposite of hypotenuse. C stands for cosine. Cosine is adjacent of hypotenuse. T stands for tangent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Now this is considered with regard to acute angles of a right angled triangle. So for example, like in the question you're given tan x is equal to 1 over root 3, that is tan x is equal to 1 over root 3. That implies that x is an acute angle. So according to our question, we are given tangent of an acute angle x. That means we are going to consider this last part here, the TOA. So for our ratio, let's consider a right angled triangle, such that if we let this angle here be x, then according to tan x, which is opposite of adjacent, then with respect to angle x here, the opposite side is this, which should be 1, and adjacent is this side, which is root 3. Now we need to solve completely the triangle. That means we are going to be required to determine the value of the hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse obtained by Pythagoras Theorem, and that is the square root of base squared plus height squared. So we're going to have the square root of root 3 squared plus 1 squared. Now this is 3, and this part we have 1, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So the hypotenuse here is 2. We also need to consider this angle here. Given that the triangle is a right angle triangle, then it follows that the sum of this angle and this angle here should be 90 degrees. So if already we have here as x, then this should be 90 minus x. So with the triangle solved completely, we can now embark on the stem of the question. Remember, we are required to find the value of sine 90 minus x plus cosine of 90 minus x. Referring to SOHCAHTOA once again, for our case, we are required to determine sine of 90 minus x. So let's look at that. Sine of 90 minus x, and according to SOHCAHTOA, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. That means with respect to angle 90 minus x, if we look at it here, then opposite is root 3 and hypotenuse is 2. So sine of 90 minus x will be opposite over hypotenuse, and that means you're going to have root 3 over 2. So sine of 90 minus x is root 3 over 2. Now the same will apply for the case of cosine of 90 minus x. So if we have cosine of 90 minus x, now with respect to angle 90 minus x, according to SOHCAHTOA, at this point we have cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So with respect to this angle, adjacent side is 1 and hypotenuse is still 2. So we're going to have cosine of 90 is equal to 1 over 2. So we're going to have 1 over 2. Now the question required us to determine sine of 90 minus x plus cosine of 90 minus x. And now that we have the values as root 3 over 2 for sine of 90 minus x and 1 over 2 for cosine of 90 minus x, we will have the sum of the two, and that gives us sine of 90 minus x plus cosine of 90 minus x in SAD form. Now for this result here, we can note that we cannot simplify it further, and therefore it is in simplified SAD form as desired in the question, and this finally becomes the final answer to this question. And with that, we come to the end of the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.